Welcome. I'm Jerry Munley, representing Loch Lomond. Loch Lomond is a 75-acre shallow lake in the Des Plaines River watershed. Bull Creek South is the primary inlet, and downstream are St. Mary's and Butler Lakes. 4 years ago, I started taking basic measurements for Loch Lomond, primarily to spend time with a friend. We used the volunteer lake monitoring program as a guide. However, we had a lot of questions about what the data meant and what we could do to improve the lake. I joined Lake County Lake Lovers monitoring program to generate data I read about in Lake County's reports, hoping that frequent quality data collection would help us make better decisions. Data to action. After collecting data comes the deep work interpreting and understanding what it all means. What does a parameter actually measure? Why is it important? What is the lake's trophic state or biological productivity? How does your data compare to Lake County medians? Do you notice monthly or yearly trends? Data may add, confirm, or change what you know. Lake management plans follow, but may take time to develop. The next 3 slides are interpretations using our 2025 data. Safety depths were less than the Lake County median, and the trophic state index was eutrophic or moderately impaired. We saw some improvement from recent years, but wondered if reduced chemical spraying was the reason. Dissolved oxygen levels below 5 milligrams per liter are dangerous for fish. This heat map shows most values above 5, but in September, heat and at lower depths moved into the danger zone. Phosphorus is the most likely cause of algae blooms. Our values looked good, and we've had fewer algae blooms than prior years. But why is the inlet value high? What's going on upstream? Our key actions are connected to Lake County recommendations from 2015. These included monitoring Saki, dissolved oxygen, and phosphorus, which we are now able to do twice a month through the monitoring program. Goose poop is a source of phosphorus causing algae blooms, poor water quality, E. coli, and beach closures. One goose poops 2 to 4 pounds a day, which annually yields up to 700 pounds of algae from just one goose. Extrapolate that to 25 or 50 geese. That's called extrapolating. To deter geese, Loch Lomond installed 10 floating lights that blink dusk to dawn to discourage nesting and encourage residents to add fencing or buffer zones to prevent geese from moving water to shore. Geese populations and beach closures have both declined. Currently, we have only one family of 7 geese, and beach closures have dropped to 0 to 5 per year. Our beautiful buffer zone demonstration areas naturally absorb excess nutrients, slow runoff, and signage provides native plant suggestions. These 4 maps show the improvement in submerged plants from 2018 to 2025. With the decrease in chemical spraying, aquatic plants are improving water quality. St. Mary's Lake downstream noticed an increase in their aquatic plants as well. Weed harvesting removes plant biomass, a polluting nutrient if left to rot at the bottom of the lake. Since 2024, 800,000 pounds of plant biomass have been removed. Carp outcompete native species for food. Thanks to the Lake County Health Department, 181 carp have been removed since 2023. Biodredge applications using bacteria and enzymes have reduced organic sediments, or muck, by 2 to 6 inches in specific areas. We educate and inform our community with improved communication, social media, events, and relevant information sheets on our website. One example is information on planting the next generation of trees. Thank you for your support of Lake County lake lovers and healthier lakes.